If you're dealing with sciatica right now, you're probably wondering the same thing most of my patients ask. How long is this pain going to last? And more importantly, what can you do to feel better? I'm Dr. Megan Tomberlin with Waves of Wellness Chiropractic here in Leland, North Carolina. I specialize in helping people find relief from sciatica and nerve-related back pain, and I've worked with patients in all stages, from their very first flare-up to those who have been dealing with chronic pain for years. Sciatica can be incredibly frustrating. The pain might come out of nowhere. It can shoot down your leg, make it hard to sit or drive, and sometimes even wake you up at night. And when it doesn't go away quickly, it's easy to feel like you're stuck or unsure what to do next. The good news is that sciatica is highly treatable, and for most people, the right approach can lead to real, lasting relief, even if you've been dealing with it for a while. Let's start by understanding what's going on. Sciatica happens when the sciatic nerve gets irritated or compressed. This is the longest nerve in your body, and it runs from your lower spine down through your hips and legs. When there's pressure on it from something like a bulging disc, a misalignment, or inflammation, it can cause a range of symptoms. You might feel pain that travels down one leg, tingling or numbness, or even weakness in your foot. Sometimes it comes and goes. Other times it's constant and intense. Now let's talk about how long sciatica actually lasts. In mild cases, symptoms can improve within a few days to a couple of weeks, especially if you're staying active, avoiding long periods of sitting, and moving in ways that support your spine. But in more moderate or long-term cases, where the nerve has been irritated for a while or the cause hasn't been addressed, the pain can last for several weeks or even months. Some people deal with reoccurring flare-ups for years simply because the root issue was never fully corrected. This is where many people get stuck. They try stretching, resting, maybe a little heat or ibuprofen, and sometimes that helps for a few days, but then the pain comes right back. That's because those things only treat the symptoms. They don't solve the underlying problem. At our office, we take a different approach. We focus on identifying exactly what's putting pressure on the nerve and creating a plan to correct it. That usually starts with a full evaluation to see how your spine is moving, how your muscles are functioning, and where the pressure is coming from. From there, we build a treatment plan that's specific to you. That might include gentle adjustments to relieve pressure, soft tissue work to reduce tension, or spinal decompression to help a disc heal. Most people start to feel some relief within the first few visits. Sometimes it's a little less pain or a little more movement, and from there, the results build. For many of our patients, pain is significantly reduced within 2 to 6 weeks of focused care. For more chronic or complex cases, it might take longer, but even then, progress is usually steady when we address the cause directly. Now, there are some important factors that affect your recovery timeline. How long you've had symptoms, how active or sedentary your day-to-day life is, whether other things like posture or stress are making the pain worse, and how consistent you are with care and home recommendations. We also look for red flag signs that you may need help right away. That includes pain that's getting worse instead of better, numbness or tingling that doesn't go away, weakness in your leg or foot, or any loss of control over your bladder or bowels. If you're experiencing any of those symptoms, it's important to get checked out as soon as possible. The bottom line is this: sciatica doesn't have to be something you just live with, and the longer you wait, the harder it can be to resolve. If you're in the Leland area and you're ready to find out what's really causing your pain and how to fix it, we're here to help. You can book your appointment by calling 910-859-8359 or visiting wavesofwellnesschiro.com. Let's get you moving again and feeling like yourself without the fear that the pain will keep coming back. It all starts with one step, and we'll be with you through every part of the process.